This is our Figural, our 2-quart bowl and ramekin set. More just arrived, our final order of the year, and you probably already see it. What we brought in, including some new, really fun festive seasonal patterns for you. The Nutcracker is new, the gingerbread is new, and the festive is new. K46944 is your item number. You're getting the 2-quart ceramic Figural or Baker, 2 8-ounce ceramic ramekins, the embroidered napkin, stainless steel spoon and silicone handle, and the recipe card. All of it, $28.23. So I think we should start with the colors since we have so much new to show you, and then we'll explain how you're going to use this. So how cute is this guy?
And this is the cuteness factor. So if you've been collecting for 16 years, this is if you're new to Temp-tations, how much fun.
I mean, really, the fact that everything can go together, but it's really adding that whimsy to your table. If you're entertaining or you're showing up, this is
that you talk about, a matching spoon right there, and then each one has a recipe. So this has the nutty holiday mix that you're going to get if you choose the